Hey, welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So you may look at this and be like, what is it she has today? Well, this bunch of green stuff is actually the top of carrots. So I got some carrots from the grocery, had these big beautiful stems on top. They actually looked much better than this. It's been a couple days since I bought them. But I couldn't get to them right away. But, since they had the big green tops on them, I was like, I can't throw these away. I'm sure these are edible. Turns out they are. Okay, and so I'm trying to decide what to do with them. And so, first thing, since I've never had them before, I'm going to eat one because they say that they're bitter. I'm thinking about cooking them up with a potato. Okay, they're a little bit strong, but it's not that bad. So I think what I'm going to do is separate them from the long stem here. And then I'm going to cook them up with some fried potatoes. Alright? So by separating them, I mean I'm just going to be like pulling them along like this. So basically getting them off the stem, that's a little tougher. So let me make sure I'm getting this on the camera. So just kind of separating this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick and I'll be right back because I don't think you want to watch me picking all these stems off here. Alright, be right back. This is what my carrots look like. I mean, for real, this is not false advertisement. They actually looked better than this picture. They were beautiful carrots. Alright, so I'm about to do my... Ooh, it's getting hot in here. I'm about to do the potatoes and the carrot top. So, in this where it's fogging up. This is the potatoes. I'm boiling them in a pot first. And I dice them up. And then I'll put them in a skillet and fry them so they can get a little crispy with the, and then add the carrot tops. Alright, so hold on. Alright, so there's my hot skillet. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly add my potatoes. So I did drain them, but I know there's going to be a little water left. So I'm going to get back as soon as I put them in. So I don't get hit. Alright, so we're going to let them do their thing for a couple minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, so they've been in the skillet for just a couple minutes. And I had the skillet on medium just before I put the potatoes in, and then I turned them to low. Just to give us a little extra time to do what we need to do. I actually got more potatoes than I really need it. Maybe I could take a few out and use those for something else later. I think I'm going to do that. Well, that's okay. Can save some of this for later. There you go. They're fully cooked. They'll store well. Maybe I can put them in a soup or something. I don't even know how many potatoes. I think it was like 5 potatoes I cut up. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning to this. Put a little Lawry's seasoning salt. Probably need a little more, but you can always add, but it's hard to take away. Alright, so then I'm going to take some of our carrot tops, because we got quite a few, and just put those right on top there. Alright, and then we're going to put the lid on that so it'll steam the carrot tops. Or I guess you could call them carrot greens. There we go. So we'll let those cook for probably about, let them cook 10 minutes and check on them in a little bit. You know what, after a couple moments I thought to myself, this would be great if I put like onions or shallots in here. I'm going to put some shallots in here. I'm going to tell you, this smells a little funky. You know, I washed the tops of the carrots really well. Because they, you know, I read up on it a little bit, and it was saying that they have a lot of sand and stuff, but these are actually very clean. I didn't notice any sand, although at first I kind of rinsed through it like it was a weave or something on top of the carrot. They were sticking out pretty good. I want to show you guys a picture. I didn't take the picture of the whole thing, but I should have. I didn't think about it, so I removed the top. But I'll find the website where the what was the name of this? Earth's Bounty, I think. I don't know. I'll let you know in a little bit. All right, we're gonna let these brown up a little bit more. And so they had cooked for about 5 minutes, and you can see there's already color on the potatoes. I don't know, it's smelling different, like, I don't know. So we'll see how these taste in a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to let these cook a little longer, and I'll be back. Alright, so it's been a couple more minutes actually, not a full 5 minutes. So I wanted to go ahead and check this. Ooh, potatoes are looking very nice. Alright, I think we're done. Alright, be right back. Alright, I went ahead and turned off the skillet. I'm going to try a small piece of potato just for seasoning. Do I want it? I almost double dipped. It's actually really good, but I'm going to add just a little bit more seasoning. And then if people actually want it even more salty or seasoned with whatever, they can add that. Alright, and we got those shallots in there, the minced shallots. Alright, let me make a plate, and I'll be right back. Alright, so there's my plate with my potatoes and carrot tops. So I'm going to actually take a bite with the greens in there. Alright, they're chewy. I probably could have parboiled those first, or cut them into smaller pieces. So, but I will tell you, it's good. It kind of tastes like parsley on top of there. I'll tell you, it's something I would definitely try again. Oh my gosh, I think I created something new on the internet. I don't think I've seen this before. Yummy, yummy. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by Shalkar's Cooking Corner. I'm going to tell y'all, that's fantastic. I'm glad I tried that. But thanks for stopping by. Make sure you watch, like, subscribe, tell somebody else about my channel. We're going for that. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of August, y'all. Help me do this. All right. So stick around, watch more videos. Maybe you'll learn a thing or two. If you've ever tried carrot tops before, let me know. All right, thanks, and take care. Have a wonderful day, y'all, or wonderful night, whatever time you're watching this. And I will see you next time.